We have an absolute beauty on display for you today. It is an Emerald Beauty. This is a 2022 Malibu 22 LSV. It's equipped with an M6 Monsoon engine. It's direct injected, 430 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is an absolute weapon. Let's get into it and have a look. This boat shows absolutely beautifully. It being a 2022 with only 15 hours, as you can imagine, it's in near new condition. Everything shows absolutely gleaming. Speaking of gleaming, I'm hoping that the sunlight does this green flake gel coat justice. It looks absolutely spectacular. Probably one of my favorite color schemes of the year. Now this has a paint over gal trailer with electric over hydraulic brakes, alloy wheels. Up at the front on the bow, you have a pair of docking lights. It's got C-deck matting just at the top of the deck. Moving on back, you've got a nice big bimini, 4 tower speakers, swivel board racks. And hopefully, as we change angles, you can see how beautifully this emerald flake gleams. Absolutely looks awesome. Moving on back, you've got your surf gates, your Power Wedge 3, your underwater exhaust, and all your underwater running gear, all in beautiful condition. The trailer has no corrosion and has little to no stone chips. Shows absolutely awesome. Sun deck is in, or excuse me, not the sun deck, the swim platform's in perfect condition. And there's no corrosion or oxidization anywhere throughout the boat. Staging area all shows beautifully. We've got really nice walkover steps on both the sun deck as well as the staging area. Nice step down into the cockpit. All the upholstery shows absolutely perfectly. Nice green accents in the upholstery a little everywhere. And all your sound system upgrades. This has 4 cockpit speakers, cup holders, charging stations on both the port and starboard side. Moving forward, you've got 12-inch subwoofer at the kick panel, and of course the dual screens Malibu's known for. Nice big screens, super user friendly, easy to navigate. Big alloy CNC machined glove box. Moving on up, nice big bow area with plenty of cup holders and another pair of speakers. As mentioned, C-deck matting all the way around the gunwales. A little extra traction when you're stepping on the edges of the boat. Moving on back, C-deck matting throughout the interior of the boat, all shows beautifully. Now there is a storage tray on top of the engine usually, just for purpose of being able to shoot this video well. I've taken it out, and the engine shows absolutely beautifully. It's closed cooled, there's no corrosion anywhere. It shows nearly as new. Let's see if I can show you the transmission area as well. Everything is absolutely gleaming. So as you can see, this 2022 Malibu 22 LSV is in beautiful condition, well worth checking out. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call, Patrick at 0427-162-749, or you can email me at patrick@coastalboatsales.com.au.